Yes, Rajay. Next topic is there, that is medicinal use. That how microorganisms are useful to reduce different type of diseases. Mean which one bacteria are used, which one fungi are used to cure problems relating to diseases. So ठीक है. First of all, the wonder drug penicillin is an antibiotic. Antibiotics are medicines बच्चे which increase the power to fight with any particular disease. ठीक है. The wonder drug penicillin is an antibiotic which is derived from a fungus. It is, देखो, penicillin is name of antibiotic and how we can get it? It is derived from fungus. ठीक है. We can get it from fungus which is called penicillium. Now penicillin is made from penicillium, which is type of fungus. Second, the bacteria Streptomyces gracious is used in the preparation of antibiotic streptomycin. ठीक है. The bacteria which is used in the preparation of antibiotic, that is, it is name of antibiotic, that is streptomycin. How it is made? It is made from Streptomyces gracious. It is name of bacteria. Okay. Two other antibiotics obtained from bacteria are tetracycline from Streptomyces ramosis and erythromycin from Streptomycin erythracis. ठीक है. These are name of bacteria and we can get from these bacteria antibiotics which are very useful to cure any particular disease. ठीक है. Next है a vaccine is a biological preparation that provides immunity against a particular disease. Vaccine बच्चे, you know, it is also a name of that particular medicine which gives increase the immunity. Immunity means increase the power to fight with the particular disease. ठीक है. Vaccine can be used to prevent diseases. Which one diseases are cured by vaccines? Like typhoid, hepatitis. Now what is hepatitis? ठीक है. In this disease बच्चे, what happen? There is a swelling on liver. ठीक है. It is a very serious disease in which there is swelling of liver, that is called hepatitis disease. ठीक है. Cholera, you know, chicken pox, you know, measles, it is also name of disease which is relating to fever. ठीक है. Polio, smallpox, that you know very well. ठीक है. Vaccines are of two types. They may contain dead or weakened microorganisms. ठीक है. Means in vaccine there are microorganisms will be there. Two types of vaccines are there. One is weakened microorganisms or we can say dead microorganisms. ठीक है. And second is ready made antibodies. ठीक है. Now different between two vaccines is there, that one vaccine, like first one weakened microorganisms, this one vaccine is used to fight with any particular disease for a long time. ठीक है. Means first type can give long term immunity. It give a long term immunity to fight with any particular disease, but on the other side, ठीक है, antibodies destroy disease causing microbes, we know, and remain in the body to prevent further attack of the same microbe. If any person is infected from any particular disease like typhoid, hepatitis, but vaccine is help to cure that problem, ठीक है, for a long time. Means it increase the immunity to fight with that disease. ठीक है. Example, vaccines for measles and polio. Some vaccines are there such as typhoid vaccine contain ready-made antibodies instead of weakened pathogens, you know बच्चे, these are also called germs. ठीक है. Second, ready-made antibodies, it gives immunity for a short time. ठीक है. Means to cure any problem for short time, it gives short time immunity. ठीक है. These are called ready-made antibodies. ठीक है. And this whole process is called vaccination or immunization.